So this Go Power solar panel kit comes with a protective case. It's easy to open and store. And this has been very handy for me to keep in the back of my truck. It keeps the solar panel safe. It's real easy. The zipper just zips like this. You just open it up, and you have your solar panel. To set up the solar panel, all you have to do is unlatch the latches, open up the solar panel just like this, set it on the side, extend these legs here, tighten the wing nuts, and then just set it out in the sun and you're ready to go. I do want to point out this comes with a built-in 10 amp solar controller as well. I have two ways of connecting to my battery. Since I have lithium, I moved the batteries inside, but now I have an Anderson connection that connects directly to the batteries. And all I do is take the cord with the Anderson connector, connect it that way. You can quickly and easily connect your solar panel to your batteries using these Anderson connectors. A second way that I connect is through the 7-pin connector. And this is an accessory that is sold separately from the solar panel. But all you do is just connect your 7-pin this way, and then it has another Anderson clip on the other end, and you just connect your battery via another Anderson connector, just like that. Thanks for watching my unboxing of the Go Power 130 watt solar panel kit. Also, go follow Go Power Solar on Instagram.